first time on seeing my beautiful face, please don't make it your last. Please subscribe to my channel, okay? Subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. I'm currently in my office. I'm currently working, and I just thought to make a sit-down video, a random sit-down video. So today I just want to talk about why I love watching big YouTubers as opposed to small YouTubers. And disclaimer, this is not like belittle anybody, okay? I myself am a small YouTuber, and I would really appreciate for people to support me, which brings me to the point where I'll ask you to subscribe to my channel and leave a like on this video, just to grow my channel. Alright, I really do love watching big YouTubers. Like, I feel like it gives me this feel emotionally, because like there are these quotes, like imagine that girl you want to be, right? Imagine that girl you want to be, imagine that lady you want to be. Now think like her, show up like her, be her anyhow. And that is what I feel like I get into whenever I watch big YouTubers, because I'm like, yeah, I like how this person is, I like how far this person has come. And not to get me wrong by saying that, okay, I want to be like a particular YouTuber, or I want to be like these big YouTubers, okay? I'm Melody, and yeah, of course I'm unique, I'm different. But then, as concerning the content creating space, I feel like, yeah, it's kind of like the best thing to do. Like, I don't know if you guys get me, right? But it's like when I watch these big YouTubers, I kind of feel like there is hope, like for me who's starting out. I want to get into character and see what my life is going to be like when I become a big content creator, because definitely I would. And anyone who is coming on YouTube who has been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, that person is definitely like on that path of like, I want to be a certain kind of way, at a certain time. Like, I'm giving myself maybe 2 years to like hit a certain number of subscribers. Oh yeah, I'm trusting that at a certain time I'm going to like be a certain kind of YouTuber that I always dreamt of being. I don't know if that makes sense, but I like the idea that everyone's trying to grow, but then watching a big YouTuber just gives me calmness. It gives me hope. It makes me feel like, and also YouTubers that are growing, yeah. It gives me this fulfillment that yes, this person did it, I can do it. I just try to put myself in character that okay, someday, somehow, sometime I'm going to be a big YouTuber, and I just want to experience what it feels like to be her, like to be that big YouTuber that I've been dreaming of being like forever. So like, I don't know if you guys feel the same way, or like you have contrary opinions, or you like watching small YouTubers because of, but I like watching big YouTubers. I do watch small YouTubers. I watch a lot of them. Like a lot of them, I understand that a lot of small YouTubers are trying to find their path, like trying to find their path and trying to like find a niche. All of that, they're still in that phase of trying to find themselves in the content creating space. But like, these big YouTubers are there already, so it's easier to like draw inspirations from them and say, okay, this content that this girl makes is what I would like to make, is what I'm interested in. So do I want to make this kind of content? Do I want to stick with watching her to get more inspiration, as opposed to the small YouTubers who like are still trying to find their feet? Like, yeah. But this, for like a disclaimer, right? I'm rooting for everyone, because no matter how big of a YouTuber you think a YouTuber is, they are still like trying to get it right. They are still trying to get bigger, and like, it's the consistency, the hope, the faith, it's all that for me. And I just respect the fact that okay, these people are still doing it, they are not quitting, so that those of us who are coming up, we see an example of what our lives can be like I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say, like, of what our lives can be like when we start growing, like, of all the possibilities that can actually happen when we start making it in the industry. So shout out to all YouTubers, especially from this part of the world that is very hard, or content creators, if I would say. You guys are the real deal. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.